Now I will tell you that how to visit your dashboard of WordPress. Set your URL / WordPress -admin, enter. For going to dashboard, here you give your login information have you given in installing the WordPress in cPanel. Please give your username or email and password. Now I have logged. This is the WordPress dashboard. Here is some important information about your site. The post, and posting the all post, add new category tag, and media library, add new page comments, appearance. In appearance you can select the theme, customize your websites, and background change menu etc. all you can change and the WordPress by going to dashboard of WordPress. Now I tell you that how to change your theme. Go to appearance, select theme, the WordPress defaultly give you the 3 theme has been installed. If you add new, click on add new. These are the theme you can use on your choice. Installed and activated, it means your site currently installed with 2020 theme, and activate. For new you can search. I search new theme, color magazine. I want to install this plugin. Click on the install. The WordPress theme is installing. The WordPress is installed successfully, and click on activate. Your theme changed successfully. Now you can go to your site and check your theme appearance. You can see the theme has been changed with colorful this is a home simple page, and here you can add the menu, the trending news, the title of your website, go to back dashboard, we try to add new theme. You can search your own choice. Search color, you search the color magazine, the color magazine is not found. We try to install another theme. We install this Queen magazine blocks. Click on install. The theme is installing. The theme installed, and click on activate. The theme is successfully activate. We go to our site and refresh the page. You can see the theme of your site has changed, and your look of your site has been changed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.